Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here today. We're going to attach this horn to the hood, so you should have this part already made. And this is the face part where it opens up and our strings are. So what we need to do is open it up and find the middle here. So to do that, you're going to look at the tip here. This is the center row. So you're going to follow that all the way down to find the center. So I know that this is the center from the tip of the hood back here. Okay, so the center is right, the center is right here. So what we're going to do, we still have this string, and then I added my needle. What we're going to do is the second one right here, we're going to go through this clear bead. And then we're going to go through these two purple. So I skipped one. And then you're going to pull that tight. And this is going to be really hard to show. Okay. Now, this white bead we're going to go through. And then we're going to go through these two purple. Okay, now we're at the front. So we're going to go through these two white. This is the middle here. And then we're going to go through these two purple. And then we're going to go through this white. And then these two purple, and this is where we started. And you're going to pull this really tight, and then you're just going to keep going around like we just did, probably 3 or 4 times to make this nice and strong on top of the hood. So all I did was to figure out, how to line this up, I just put it up against it and then found the beads where we could connect it. So it's like a circle that goes all the way around. But after you go follow your string and just repeat that 3 times, and then you'll tie it off. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you when I get back. Okay guys, I ended up going around 3 times, and that felt strong enough for me. And then I just tied it off. So you'll tie it off and then cut this. But that's what it looks like. And as you can see, it's on there. It's not going to go anywhere. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.